Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to wrap text around an image in Google Docs. It's a simple trick that can make your documents look more professional and organized. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Google Docs tips. All right, let's jump in. First, insert your image by going to Insert Image and choose whether you're uploading from your computer, using the web, or selecting from Drive. Once the image is in your document, click on it. You'll see a small toolbar appear below the image. Now, to wrap text around the image, click the Wrap Text icon. This will automatically shift your text to flow neatly beside the image. You can also adjust the margin space. That's how much space is between the image and your text. Just click the drop down next to the wrap icon and choose what feels right. Want to move the image? Click and drag it anywhere in the document. You'll see the text automatically adjust as you go. That's all you need to create a clean, styled layout. But wait, what if the wrap text option isn't showing at all? This is actually a common issue, and here's why it happens. Google Docs has two view modes, Pageless and Pages. In Pageless mode, the text wrap feature doesn't work because there are no page boundaries for text to wrap around. Here's how to fix it. Go to File, Page Setup, and at the top choose Pages instead of Pageless. Then hit OK. Alternatively, you can also go to Format, Page Format, and switch from there. Once you're back in Pages view, click on your image again and the Wrap Text option should now appear. And that's it. You've learned how to wrap text around an image and how to fix it if the option doesn't show up. If this helped, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.